Okay, Danny, what are you doing, Danny? Huh? What are you doing, Danny? Danny, what are you doing?
I'm making goofy.
What? You're mixing, you're fixing Mickey Mouse 100-piece puzzle. Good job, Danny. You're doing great.
Those
Sammy, what are you doing? Sammy, what are you doing? Huh? Sammy, what are you doing? Ooh, let's see. Puzzle bag, 100-piece puzzle. It's hmm.
when you fix it,
Okay, it's 6 plus 100-piece baby fox. Hurry up, Sammy. You're almost done. Good job, Danny. You okay, Danny? Are you okay, Danny? Good job, Danny. Good job, Sammy. Sammy is almost. Oh my goodness. Almost you're going to finish. You're almost. Almost. Let me see your piece. Okay, what you got? You got Mickey Mouse, Disney Junior Mickey Mouse 100-piece puzzle. 6 plus. Okay, Danny. Yep. Oh my goodness, you almost finished. Good job, Danny. You're doing great. Good job, Sammy. Oh, hey, what are you looking for, Danny? What are you looking for, Danny? Huh? Good job, Sammy. Hurry up. Finish it. Sammy, what are you doing? Sammy, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Uh-huh. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing, Sammy?
What are you doing?
Yeah, you tell me. What are you doing? Huh? Danny, what are you doing? Huh? Huh? What did you say? Excuse me? What did you say, Danny? What are you doing, Danny? Huh? What are you doing? Danny, what are you doing? Okay, you're fixing Mickey Mouse puzzle. Good job, Danny. Okay, Sammy, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Yes, say I'm fixing puzzle. I'm fixing baby fox puzzle. Good job, Sammy. You're almost done. Yeah, you left with almost less than 10 pieces out of 100. Good job, Sammy. Hurry up. Hurry up, Sammy. Tolobet. Go, go, Sammy, go.
About him.
Good job, Sammy. You're too fast. The last piece. Yeah! Good job, Sammy. Oh! Again. Give me 5 minutes. Good job, Sammy. Hey, can you help Danny? That's the fox, baby fox. Let me see. Yeah, that's baby fox. Sammy, you want to help Danny? Go help Danny. Okay, Danny. You're good. You can do it. You can finish. Let me see how much you've done so far. It's almost 30 minutes. You're good, man. Oh my goodness. Maybe you can finish in less than 15 minutes. Good job, Danny.